Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make public profile on Snapchat. So to do this, just open up your Snapchat of course, go to the top left corner of your screen to your profile and scroll down. So scroll down until you see your public profile and you see my public profile right here. Select that and then here it's going to introduce you to your public profile. Press OK and then here you will see all your public profile and then here you can customize it and you will see you can manage it right here, so you can edit your profile right here, share whatever you want, and that's how you make your public profile. So you can clear it too if you want to and then show nothing in your public profile, therefore it's private already. And then here, that's all you have to do to make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you have a business account, basically you want to actually create a new one because it's not going to be possible with your public profile. So there you go guys, that is how you make your public profile on Snapchat.